Here's 3 reasons why starting your own cooking show is a way better use of your time and energy and money than participating in the Favorite Chef fundraiser. Because Favorite Chef is not a cooking competition, in case you didn't know. It's a fundraiser where your cooking skills do not matter. Reason number 1 why starting your own cooking show is better than participating in Favorite Chef is you can create a paid membership community to go with your cooking show where you get paid to teach online cooking classes. Instead of sending their money to the people who run Favorite Chef, your friends and family can spend a lot less money to join your online cooking community, and 100% of the money goes directly to you. With Favorite Chef, you will never see a dime of the money that your supporters donate unless you win the entire competition. And if you think you can win the Favorite Chef competition just off of free votes, it won't be long before you find out the hard way that if you're not raising money, you are not going to continue to advance because it is a fundraising competition. You're going to get beat by people who cannot cook as well as you because they're better at raising money than you. Reason number 2 why starting your own cooking show is better than participating in Favorite Chef is you can use the book Sponsor Magnet to learn how to get corporate sponsors for your cooking show. This is not my book and I don't get paid to promote it. I'm just telling you about it because with a cooking show, you can very easily attract sponsors and make way more money than what Favorite Chef is offering, and you can do it without begging for money on social media the way Favorite Chef makes you do. Reason number 3 why starting your own cooking show is better than participating in Favorite Chef is you can reach out to local businesses and generate sponsorship revenue that way. YouTube is the number 1 TV streaming platform in U.S. households. Netflix is second place. More people now watch YouTube on their TV than they do on their mobile devices. That means YouTube is the new television. So if you have a cooking show on YouTube, you have a cooking show on TV, and local businesses will pay you to advertise their businesses on your TV cooking show. All 3 ways I just gave you are guaranteed to make you money if you're willing to put in the same amount of effort that you would put into the Favorite Chef competition, whereas Favorite Chef guarantees you nothing, and you get nothing if you don't win at all. I have a full video on my YouTube channel that explains how Favorite Chef works that you'll definitely want to check out before you sign up. If you bet on yourself and your cooking skills by starting your own cooking show, you are guaranteed to win. Every week, I teach people how to start their cooking show in just 10 minutes, and I don't even charge for it. There's a link you can click around here somewhere that will provide you with all the details so we can get your cooking show started.